Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy spots on your Kucoin. It's quite simple. Your first and most important step would be to create an account on Kucoin. And by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, all you need to do is simply register with our account and verify, and you stand a chance to claim 3,200 USDT worth of trading bonuses and welcome gifts as you do such. So now once you've logged into Kucoin, your next step would then be to head over to the market, which is at the bottom tab. So click on this market here. And once at market, you can then have a look at all the trading pairs and all the pairs that are currently being listed as well. So if you click on futures, you can look at the pairs that are being traded. If you click on spots, it's the same thing. You can look at the USDT pairs, you can look at the BTC pairs, all that good stuff. So now, once you've had a look at what you want to trade and the tokens you'd like to pair or the token pair you'd like to use to trade, simply click on this deposit icon here and select USDT, seeing as we're going to be working with USDT for this particular video. So once you've selected USDT, the listed networks here are networks you can simply deposit your USDT in. Now, once you've gotten yourself some USDT, click on this trade icon at the bottom tab. So click on trade, and then you'll drop that spot, not cross margin, not greed, and not fiat. So simply head back to the spot and determine the trading pairs you'd like to trade. For me, I'm working with PEEP USDT. So click on this PEEP USDT and search for PEEP USDT. Now, once you've gotten PEEP USDT, your next step then would be to head over to the assets at the bottom right corner of the screen, scroll through to your funding, and click on transfer, because these are where your tokens are going to be. So click on this transfer here. And now you can simply transfer your USDT, your PEEP, your BNB, your KCS, your Tron to your trading account, which is going to be here, as you can see here. And so once you've transferred to your trading account, simply head back to the trade option, and in the spot where it says limit, click on this limit and click on market. Now, by simply buying or selling, it's called spots. So the process of buying or selling cryptocurrency assets while on the spot trading section is called spotting or spots. So once you enter a desired amount you'd like to use to purchase, for example, I'm using 0.3749 USDT to purchase a good amount of the PEEP. So all I need to do is click on this buy, enter my funding password or my trading password, and now the order has been placed. So once you head over to the order history and you simply reload, you get to find the buy order. So I was able to get, for the price of 0.116 some PEEP. So here we go. This is the amount of PEEP I was able to buy, 335,900. So now you simply head over to your assets menu, reload, and once you've reloaded, as you can see here, we've got transactions on PEEP, and here it is for today. This was the transaction. This is how much PEEP we have. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can buy spot on Kucoin, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.